Let's have an honest conversation about the question that's running like an electric current under the surface of every industry, every office, every career path. The question that's on everyone's mind, the one that keeps people up at night. Will a robot, will an AI take my job? The simple answer is probably. For many roles focused on repetitive tasks, it will. But that is not the real question. The real question, the one that will define your future, is this. Will you stand by and let it happen? Or will you seize this moment as the single greatest opportunity of your lifetime to become more valuable, more powerful, and more in demand than ever before? Welcome back to Clever Money Hacks, the place where we turn fear into power and disruption into opportunity. Today, we are not going to speculate or spread hype. We are going to give you the truth about the future of work in the age of AI. In this video, I will reveal which jobs are truly at risk, expose the massive hidden opportunity that most people are missing, and give you a powerful 3-step action plan to not just survive, but to thrive and become irreplaceable in this new era. Are you ready to future-proof your career? Let's begin. All right, before we design your future, our essential reminder. The information provided in this video is based on current trends and analysis and should be considered for educational and informational purposes only. It is not career or financial advice. Your career path is your own, and you should always conduct your own thorough research and make decisions based on your individual circumstances. First, let's confront the hard truth with our eyes wide open. Which jobs, or more accurately, which tasks are most at risk? AI is a phenomenal tool for handling work that is repetitive, data-driven, and follows predictable patterns. Let's look at a few examples. Take the role of a data entry clerk. For decades, this job involved manually inputting information from one source to another. Today, an AI can read documents, extract the relevant information, and populate a spreadsheet in a fraction of a second with near-perfect accuracy. That part of the job is undeniably facing obsolescence. Consider a basic customer service role that primarily answers the same 50 questions over and over. An AI-powered chatbot can handle that volume 24/7, instantly, without getting tired. Even in creative fields, a graphic designer who primarily creates simple template-based social media posts can now be outcompeted by AI image generators that can produce hundreds of variations in minutes. Seeing this isn't a reason to fear, it's a reason to awaken. Recognizing that these routine tasks can and will be automated is the first step toward moving up the value chain. It's a powerful signal that the world no longer needs us for our ability to do robotic work. It now demands something more from us. It demands the skills that machines cannot replicate. This brings us to the hidden opportunity, the core message I want you to burn into your mind today. AI is not your replacement, it is your ultimate leverage. The future doesn't belong to AI alone. It belongs to the people who master AI. Welcome to the rise of the AI-Augmented Professional. This is not a futuristic dream. It's happening right now, every single day. A good marketer becomes a great marketer when they use AI to analyze complex market data in seconds, identify hidden customer segments, and draft dozens of ad variations for testing. Tasks that would have taken a human team weeks. They are no longer just guessing. They are operating with a level of insight that was previously impossible. A good writer becomes a prolific writer when they use AI for deep research, brainstorming outlines, and overcoming writer's block, freeing up their mental energy to focus on what truly matters: creativity, storytelling, and connecting with the reader on an emotional level. A good financial analyst becomes a superstar analyst when they use AI to screen thousands of financial reports for anomalies, freeing them up to focus on high-level strategic thinking and client relationships. The threat isn't that AI will take your job. The real threat is that a person who knows how to leverage AI will take your job. Your goal is not to compete against the machine. Your goal is to become the person who drives the machine. This is the single biggest opportunity for career growth we will see in our lifetime. Now, we've talked about the threat and the opportunity. If you're starting to feel a shift in your perspective from fear to excitement, do me a favor and hit that like button. It's a powerful signal that you're ready to take command of your future. and comment below. What is one task in your current job that you think AI could do for you, freeing you up for more important work? Let's share some ideas. So how do you become one of these indispensable AI-augmented professionals? It's not about getting another degree. It's about a strategic shift in your focus. Here is your 3-step action plan to become AI-proof. Step 1. Vigorously develop your uniquely human skills. AI is incredible at logic, data, and pattern recognition, but it is fundamentally terrible at being human. The skills that will become exponentially more valuable in the coming years are the ones AI cannot replicate. Your first mission is to double down on these. What are they? First, deep critical thinking and strategic problem solving. This isn't just solving a math problem. It's the ability to navigate complex, ambiguous situations with incomplete information and make wise judgments. AI can give you the data, but you need the wisdom to know what to do with it. Second, true creativity and innovation. AI can generate variations of what already exists, but it cannot create a truly novel idea, a disruptive business model, or a piece of art that moves the human soul. That spark comes from you. Third, and perhaps most importantly, high-level emotional intelligence. This is the ability to lead, persuade, negotiate, collaborate, and connect with other human beings. It's empathy. It's building relationships. No AI will ever be able to build genuine trust with a client or inspire a team like a human leader can. Your career security is directly proportional to how well you can do things a machine can't. Step 2. Become an obsessive AI power user. The second part of the plan is to stop seeing AI as a threat and start seeing it as the most powerful tool ever handed to you. Your mission is to become the best person in your office, your industry, or your field at using it. This is not optional. This goes beyond just asking simple questions to a chatbot. It means actively seeking out and mastering the specific AI tools that can revolutionize your role. If you're in marketing, learn the top AI data analysis and ad copy tools. If you're a developer, master AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot. If you're a writer, master the art of using AI for research and ideation. A huge part of this is learning the art of prompt engineering. This is the skill of talking to AI models to get exactly what you need. It's the difference between getting a generic, useless response and getting a brilliant, insightful one. Spend time every week experimenting. Follow AI experts online. Treat learning AI with the same seriousness you would treat learning a new language, because in many ways, it is the new language of productivity. The person who is fluent in the language of AI is the person who will lead the teams of the future. Step 3. Master the last mile. This is the final, crucial piece of the puzzle that separates the amateurs from the true professionals in the age of AI. AI is fantastic at getting a task 80 or 90% of the way there. It can draft the email, analyze the data, design the graphic, or write the code. But that last 10 to 20%, the final mile, is where all the human value now lies. The last mile is the final polish. It's the strategic tweak based on your years of experience. It's the creative insight that makes the project unique. It's the personal touch in the email that builds a relationship with a client. It's the final quality check that ensures perfection. It's understanding the nuance of a situation that a machine can't grasp. The professionals who not only survive but become incredibly wealthy in this new era will be the absolute masters of that final mile. They will leverage AI to do all the heavy lifting to eliminate 80% of the mundane work, freeing up all their time and energy to focus on that final 20%, where their unique human genius can make something truly exceptional. You don't get paid for doing the work a machine can do. You get paid for the value you add on top. Master that last mile. So, is AI a threat to your job? Only if you choose to stand still. If you choose to see it as a tidal wave, you will drown. But if you see it as a new, powerful current, you can learn to ride it to places you never thought possible. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines. It's about you, augmented with the most powerful tool in history. Mastering new, powerful technologies is the ultimate clever hack for your career. And speaking of mastering new technologies, this same principle applies to finance. In our last video, we did a deep dive on one of the biggest new tech trends in crypto, real-world asset tokenization. It's another complex technology that will reshape the future, and you can check out that full breakdown with the link I'll provide. If this video gave you a clear, powerful action plan for your future, show your support and help others see it by hitting that like button. If you are committed to not just surviving, but thriving in this new era, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for more powerful strategies. And finally, let's make a commitment. Comment below and tell me, which of the 3 action steps, developing human skills, becoming an AI power user, or mastering the last mile, will you start working on this week? Thanks so much for joining us today on Clever Money Hacks. Our mission is to provide you with high-quality and valuable information to help you take control of your financial future, one smart decision at a time. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications on, because we are always working on new content to bring you more clever money hacks and actionable financial tips and tricks right here on Clever Money Hacks. Until then, take action and command your future. Bye for now.